Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw one of my favorite breakfast foods, and that is a waffle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our waffle, we're going to begin right here along the top. So we're actually going to start with the syrup right here. So what I'm going to do is we just want to make a nice straight line right across the top, and it can be a little bumpy or wavy. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and I'm just going to make this kind of wavy. I want these bumps to be kind of different sizes, just so it looks like the syrup is kind of running down. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and we're going to make a line that's going to come down over here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and come up, and I kind of rounded off these corners. Now, starting up here at the top, I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and then down for like a little bit of butter. And then I'm going to make just a little kind of wavy line right across here. Now, I'm going to add some of the little indentations on our waffle, but before we do that, I'm going to put a face on here. So to add the face, I'm going to start right over here, and I'm going to add a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to add another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to color in a black dot for the pupils. Then right here, we're going to make a smiley face. Then we're going to make a tall smiley face with a little line in here for the tongue. Then real quick, we're just going to color this part in. So here is our basic shape of our waffle. But what we have to do is we want to add some of those indentations in. So they're very easy to do. I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up. Now I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go over and then up. Right here, we want to go down. We're going to go over and up. Now, starting underneath this square shape, we're going to make a line that goes over. We're going to make it come down. We're going to go over and up. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes over. We're going to go down, over, and up, kind of like a square shape. We'll make another one here. Go over, down, over, and up. And these do not all have to be the same or perfect. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw one right to the eye. Then we're going to go down. We're going to go over and bring it up. This one's going to start right by the mouth. We're going to go down. I'm going to go over and we're going to go up. And then this one's going to start down here. We're going to go down, over, we're going to go up, and then back over. Now I want to make these look a little bit more three-dimensional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some extra little lines in here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up here, and then it's going to come over here. Right here I'm going to go up, and then over. And right here, we're going to go up. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then I'm going to bring it over. Same thing here, up and over. And same thing here, up and over. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up to here. We're going to draw one here. And then one here, it's going to go up and then over. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon waffle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.